Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add this phone animation to your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, I have this like loading screen one. I'm just going to change, actually I'll just leave it on 16:9. Go to animation and go to combo, and when you scroll down, there should be like a smartphone effect here, so you can just select it and add it to your videos like so. I'm just going to actually use another video so you can actually see it a little bit better in another color. So go to animation and then select this, and then ta-da, as you can see, it creates this like really cool animation. But yeah, that is it. If you want the animation to be longer, make sure your video is longer. Like this one, for instance, is a little bit longer than the one that we chose. So again, select whichever one you want. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!